Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I finally decided how to make the pie using corned beef, guys, this time. So guys, remember I showed you a picture on my YouTube. Yeah, so I finally have the recipe. I'm going to share with you. This recipe is going to be very simple. Everybody can make it. Your child can make it. Your husband can make it. Even though if you're learning how to cook African food, this will be the easiest for you, okay? So guys, I decided to show you this recipe. I've made a lot of pie on my channel, but this one, you're gonna love it. It's just simple, easy. You're gonna tell me, OBAAPA, this is the easiest meat pie I've ever made. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible so everybody can enjoy and also cook, okay, and feel happy about it and love what you do. So guys, this is all I have. This is all my ingredients I have right here. I'm using all-purpose flour. The reason why I'm showing you this, so you guys will have the idea like what kind of, ingredients that I'm using, that's why I'm showing you this. So of course I have all-purpose flour. This is the blend I'm using. This is the kind that I'm using right here. So yeah, this is very, very nice. It's non-GMO. I like this very, very, very much. Yeah, and also I have my baking powder on this side. I have my salt. This is nothing but salt. I have some margarine, okay? This recipe, you're gonna use a lot of margarine, so make sure you don't use butter. If you use butter, your pie is gonna be too soft and it's gonna just fall apart easily. But when you use margarine, it's gonna be more tasty and you're still gonna enjoy your pie. Okay, so make sure you use margarine. And also, I have my corned beef, guys. You know I'm not a very big fan of corned beef, but this recipe I decided to show you, how to make a simple and easy pie. Yeah, so I have this corned beef. This corned beef, you can get it from African market, you can get it from any store near you. Okay, it's everywhere. And also guys, twist, I am going to use some chopped onion on this side and some chopped tomatoes as well. Why? You will see in a minute. And my my spice, I'm using cayenne pepper on this side. I have garlic powder. I have moustache. You know how much, guys, I love moustache. And also I have about 3 tablespoons of milk right here. I have 2 eggs. I have my nutmeg. Yeah, you need nutmeg for this recipe. Alright, so we're going to make authentic Ghana, easiest and simplest meat pie ever on YouTube, okay? So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. Alright, so now before you get started, guys, I have my butter on this side. Yeah, you can use any butter or you can use margarine. So I'm going to grease this pan, or if you have like a baking spray, you can use that as well. But I recommend if you use butter, that is nice. It's easy to come off. This is how it is. Alright guys, so second, in a clean bowl, we are going to do our filling. Do you know what? It is different. This time the filling, you are not going to cook it, okay? So I have my corned beef right here. See, this is how this corned beef look like. Some people cook it before, you do it, but this is corned beef, okay? So it's already cooked. So there's no need for me to cook it. And also, when you put your pie in the oven, it's gonna cook anyway. So I'm going to add my vegetables. That is my tomato, onion, okay? Add them and make sure you mix it. And then we're gonna add our seasonings. So first I'm gonna do like just a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, because the beef has salt in it. And also a half teaspoon of garlic powder, yeah, to bring out flavor. A half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just a half, to bring out the spice taste, And also guys, moustache. You know how much I love moustache. A half teaspoon each. And then all you gotta do is just mix it. And then after you're done, you just put it aside. That's gonna be the filling right here. So third step, guys, I have a clean bowl. So I'm gonna add my flour. So this is about 1 cup of flour, okay? So I'm adding 3 cups. That is 2. That is 3 cups. I'm gonna add baking soda. A half teaspoon of baking soda. Some nutmeg. This one is just about a pinch, okay, of nutmeg. And make sure you mix them very well. mix it with your clean hands. We are going to add our butter. Okay, so I have a tablespoon right here, so I'm going to add a lot of butter. So let's say about 5 or 6 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, you're gonna need a lot of. This is not actually, I would say margarine, but you know, normally everybody call it butter. So yeah, margarine is a little different. Margarine is not very powerful as butter is. So make sure you use, you know, margarine. And now we're going to mix it. So as long as you feel like it's mixed through, it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, then you can add your egg. I'm going to add. Okay. And gradually add some milk. Not all of it at once. Milk, guys, you can add base milk if that's what you like. Some people are bothered with milk, so if you are those type. And also, guys, always make sure the milk is cold. But when it's cold, it helps. It helps, like really does. So you see, now our dough is formed. I didn't use all the milk. Okay, this is what the kind of texture that you want, or the consistency that you need. So now this is about 4 steps. Okay, so you're gonna need your roller. I have my roller right here. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface like that. Okay, then I'm gonna take out my dough. Dough is yellowish, come on. So you're gonna roll it like that. So guys, we are going to seal this pie. The pie ready, guys. As you can see, it's looking very nice. It's about to go to the oven. So to get like the brownish color, you need to use an egg. Okay, so all I have to do is just splash them, you know, on top of it. And also it kind of like seal up the pie too, you know, so you get that brownish look. And also it's easy to tell that it's done, you know, it's very easy to tell when it's done. So guys, pie there so the last not the least, you need to make like a little hole on top, so that way it will cook your pie inside the pie. Okay, remember we did not cook the filling, so that one is very important. So you can make like 2 each. Yeah, so it will cook the inside. So I have my oven on 300 degrees, you know, no more than that. I'm going to stick this in the oven and let it cook, let it bake until it turns like brownish color, or about 45 to 50 minutes. Yeah, this is how. Hey guys, so finally the pie is done. Rich pie, you know, guys. As you can see, it's done. It's looking very nice. I am so happy, guys. So first, it's been cooled down, so I only baked for about 45 minutes. Hey, and at the miss me pay dear. I say I come my pie so we ne pie way dear. A do trim cry. This pie is looking very, very nice. As you can see, the richness of this pie, it will just amaze you guys. So I'm going to break one for you guys to see how it looks like, okay? Remember, it's so hot. See how this pie is? Akona pie. So look at that, guys. One nam shim kama beef no way no ningina shim. Very, 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 very soft. Look at that. So soft. Rich pie papebi, authentic Ghana style. This is what I mean. Like I said, guys, you can make this at home and sell it, okay? You will get profits from it. It's very tasty too. But my pie, so pie really ended. The richness of this pie. Like I said, I'm not a very big fan of beef, but guys, try this recipe. If you are a pie lover, try this recipe. You're rich. Look at that. It's fair. OBAAPA kitchen pie. Pie we find out them other automan I want to. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel as well. For those who are new, I say welcome to my channel. This is OBAAPA fee. It's all about Drian. Catch OBAAPA. We will make it for you guys. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. With this, I'm gonna share with my family and friends, guys. You know, this is all the food is about. So thank you so much for watching. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. For those who have been there so far, I love you guys. And shout out to everybody, okay? For those who have YouTube channel, for those who don't have it, I love you all. Peace, guys. Too sure. I'm just kidding. Bye, guys.